Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Shut down the Macbook, unplug everything, and let it sit for about 30 seconds so internal components stabilize. Grab a clean microfiber cloth and a small spray bottle of distilled water or a 70% isopropyl pad. Never spray directly on the screen or keyboard. Lightly dampen the cloth. You want it almost dry. Once done, wipe using gentle circular motions on the screen and long strokes on the aluminum surfaces to lift oils without grinding particles. Now focus on the tricky spots. Open the lid and hold the display at a comfortable angle. You'll use a soft brush or a dry microfiber to dislodge debris from between keys and along the hinge. Once loose, sweep it away. For persistent fingerprint oil, dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and work small sections, making sure liquid does not pool. Make sure to clean the trackpad and palm rest with light. Even pressure. This prevents streaks and preserves coatings. Finish by thoroughly drying every surface with a fresh microfiber cloth. Never reconnect power until you're sure there's no moisture. If you see streaks, buff them gently in small circular motions. The goal is to even out residue, not rub harder. Make sure the trackpad responds normally after drying. If keys stick or you smell strong solvents, stop immediately. If fingerprints or coating wear persist despite careful cleaning, contact Apple support or an authorized technician to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.